off, just your thoughts about tonight's wire-to-wire victory.
Yeah, I mean, we started out well. I think the first quarter we were up a big lead. We didn't think that that would happen, but I mean, Rain or Shine's a tough team. You looked at them in the third quarter. They won that quarter. It's not gonna be easy for us. I wasn't. We weren't probably satisfied in the way that second half went. They kind of do well when they have those small lineups and they're physical, and they almost came back. So, this game we might have won this game, but there are a lot of things we have to clean up. Nokum had 17. He was getting to the basket. Mamuyak was getting to the basket. Their physicality is there. They were a bit off in the three-point line. They were 4 out of 33. That's 12%. So, they might shoot better. But again, I mean, credit also to our guys. At least we got some things right in the first half that gave us that first half lead.
We have with us player of the game, Jansen Rios. Jansen, congrats. Masabi mo lang sa naging panalo ninyo tonight.
Una-una, I just want to thank God for this win. Yun nga, sabi ng mga coaches namin, maging focus lang kami, tsaka lock in kasi ito na yung quarterfinals na to, iba na yung laruan eh. Kaya yun, thank God kasi maganda yung contribution ko.
We're now opening the floor for questions from the press.
Coach, congratulations and Merry Christmas, Coach.
Merry Christmas.
First quarter, you jumped right at them. How big was that? Considering no fourth quarter, yung Rain or Shine slowly inuunti nila yung lamang nyo.
Remember sa eliminations, ganun din nangyari, di ba? Lamang kami ng, I think, 25, and then they won in overtime. But siguro that's a lesson for us also because we know how good this team has been doing the last three conference. They've been able to build a good team, and it's evident in the way they're playing. They've been in the semifinals the last 3 times. This is not gonna come easy. Laking bunot kay Jansen. I can say this, some of our guys play a lot of good offense, but we need some of those guys who can play D, right? And Jansen's one of those guys. He puts his heart cut, always ready to play. And he came up big. He made the shots, he got some steals. Really happy for him, the way he played today.
Coach, good evening. Coach, tingin nyo with this big win, ang momentum nasa Meralco na by Monday?
Well, you know that they're not going to be happy in that other side with the way they played, right? They shot the ball 12%, 4 out of 33. Rain or Shine has the most threes in the league. They live and die with that. They run that pace. But I think the thing that we're used to is we also have that type of pace. Marunong rin kaming tumakbo, right? At this point, I don't think anybody really has the edge. We're an experienced team. We've been here before. We've had to win back-to-back also in a series to move to the next round. But it's gonna be a good one in that next game, right? And I think the nice thing is both teams are kind of healthy. Even Villegas is starting to play, so I'm sure they're gonna go to the drawing board. But at this point, we need a lot of things to clean up. If we're gonna play the way we did sa third quarter, mahirapan kami.
Kay Jansen, alam natin naging coach mo si Coach Yeng before sa NLEX. So at least yung game mo ba ngayon, tingin mo dahil kabisado mo na yung tendencies ni Coach Yeng sa loob ng court?
Hindi ko masabi. Siyempre, kumbaga, ilang taon na rin akong wala kay Coach Yeng. Pero the way si Coach talaga kasi talagang takbuhan talaga. Kaya siguro thankful lang kasi kami dahil nasasabayan namin eh. Pero yun nga, sabi nga ni Coach, sa mga coaches namin, syempre quarterfinals na to, kaya kailangan yung experience din namin, kaya kailangan din.
Bagong renew ka ba o pipirma ka ng bagong kontrata? Sa ganda ng laro.
Hindi pa.
Good family man to. And first kids rin yan.
Coach, it's been Interesting last few months for you, PBA, then ESL, then PBA. What would it mean to if you win on Monday and get to the semifinals despite all yung busy schedule nyo?
Yeah, Coach Ned actually spoke to us about that in our year. It's been a lot of sacrifice from these guys. And it's also trials. We didn't start the ESL well. We didn't start yung PBA season namin well. So it would mean a lot. It would mean a lot sa amin. Siyempre, ano rin yun, para masaya rin yung Christmas namin, we're playing also for this, right? So it's not gonna be given easy. Sana, the guys come ready to game, we come ready to play also in that knockout.
No more questions. Thank you, Coach Luigi Tillo and our player of the game, Jansen Rios. Final score, 96-79. Meralco stays alive. They'll play on Monday for a spot in the semifinals. Congratulations to the Meralco Bulls.
Thank you guys. Salamat. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.